Welcome to Like Health. Have you recently quit alcohol and want to detox your liver naturally? You're not alone. Millions are searching for ways to cleanse the liver after alcohol. The liver is your body's detox powerhouse, but alcohol can leave it overworked and inflamed. The good news? Certain foods can actually repair liver damage, boost liver function, and speed up recovery. In this video, we'll reveal the 7 best foods to cleanse your liver naturally, and some of them might already be in your kitchen. Whether you're in the early stages of alcohol recovery or just looking to improve your liver health, this guide is for you. So, if you've been Googling things like how to heal your liver after alcohol or foods for liver detox, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch till the end. There's a surprising food with powerful detox benefits that most people completely overlook. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more science-backed health tips and natural wellness guides. Number 1. Cabbage. Did you know cabbage is a liver's best friend? This leafy green is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that boost your liver's natural detox enzymes. It contains compounds called glucosinolates, which help your body flush out harmful toxins. Whether you eat it raw in a salad or cooked in a hearty soup, cabbage is low-calorie and high-fiber, making it a delicious way to give your liver a health boost after quitting alcohol. Plus, it's super affordable and easy to find. Number 2. Garlic. Love it or hate it, garlic is a powerhouse when it comes to liver health. It contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. On top of that, garlic is rich in antioxidants like allicin and selenium, which help protect your liver cells from alcohol-related damage. The best part? You can add garlic to almost any dish, soups, sauces, stir-fries, making it an easy and tasty liver ally. Number 3. Avocado. Creamy, buttery avocado isn't just delicious, it's packed with nutrients that promote liver health. This superfruit contains glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps your liver neutralize harmful substances. The healthy fats in avocado also reduce inflammation and support your liver's healing process after quitting alcohol. Adding avocado to your salads, smoothies, or toast is a tasty way to help your liver recover and thrive. Number 4. Carrots. Crunchy carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a vital nutrient for liver function. Carrots help your liver cleanse toxins by boosting enzyme production that breaks down waste. Plus, they're rich in antioxidants that fight off free radicals that can harm liver cells. Enjoy carrots raw, steamed, or juiced to give your liver a natural, nutrient-packed detox. Number 5. Green tea. Sipping on green tea does more than just wake you up. It floods your body with antioxidants called catechins that reduce inflammation and improve liver function. Research shows green tea can help reduce fat buildup in the liver, a common issue after heavy drinking. Drinking a cup or 2 daily can be your secret weapon for a cleaner, healthier liver. Just swap out sugary drinks for green tea and watch your liver thank you. Number 6. Apple. An apple a day might really keep liver issues away. Apples are rich in pectin, a type of fiber that helps cleanse your body and prevents toxins from settling in your liver. They also provide antioxidants that protect liver cells from damage. What's more, apples improve digestion, easing the liver's workload during detox. Snack on a fresh apple or blend it into a smoothie for a sweet, liver-friendly treat. Number 7. Turmeric. This golden spice isn't just for curries. Turmeric packs a serious punch for liver health. Its main active ingredient, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help stimulate liver detox enzymes. Studies show turmeric can protect the liver from alcohol-related damage and even assist in repairing it. Sprinkle turmeric in your meals, stir it into teas, or mix it with warm milk for a tasty, health-boosting ritual. Taking care of your liver doesn't stop with these 7 foods. It's about embracing a healthy lifestyle. Drink plenty of water, eat a balanced diet full of whole, natural foods, and make regular exercise part of your routine. Managing stress and getting enough sleep also play a big role in keeping your liver strong and functioning optimally. Remember, Your liver works hard every day to keep you feeling great, so support it with good habits. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps us reach more people on their journey to better health. And a warm welcome to all our new subscribers. We're thrilled to have you here. Stay tuned for more amazing health tips coming your way. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new